So guys, in this video I will share with you how to make $100 per day on YouTube with 0 subscribers. But be sure to stay with me till the end so you are not going to miss any of the secret. But before that, if you want 100% free training to make your first $100 per day as a complete beginner, then check out the link in the description, and after this training you can easily make $100 per day online. And also, if you like videos about making money online and entrepreneurship related videos, so be sure to hit the subscribe button and also click the bell icon to join the entrepreneur family. So let's get started. So now we are going to simply hop onto the whiteboard, and also we are going to hop onto the YouTube so that I will share with you the potential of the YouTube. So first of all, we are going to hop onto the YouTube, and there you can see when I search for ClickFunnels. If you do not know what is ClickFunnels, basically it's a tool for creating funnels. Okay, so after that, when we are going to look at this, for example, their first video is by the Kevin David, and as you can see there are about 131,000 views. So when let's just have some do maths. Okay, so when we are going to just take 1% of the 131,000 views, so that's going to be around 1,300 people. Okay, so let's say, and that ClickFunnels, the product is having a kind of the two versions, where one is of $100, okay, and the another one is of $300. Both have a little bit more features and stuff like that. Maybe it's based on the traffic or something like that. So the ClickFunnels is going to pay you $30 recurring commission. So let's say if any people is going to buy $100 product, then you will get $30 commission for every single month. So now the 1,300 people are going to buy the product because I'm only taking the 1%, and 1% is going to be the least amount of the people those are going to grab this. Okay, so when 1,300 people are going to grab this product, and then you will be keep on getting $30. So that's going to be around $39,000 with just one single YouTube video, one single. And I'm only taking the $100. There will be some of the guys who will be just keep on buying the $300 version. So you can really think the potential over here is really huge. Okay, so now but the catch is this, how you can really do this, how you can really start doing this. There are a lot of ways. So the first way is the tutorial. Okay, first way is the tutorial. So as you can see over here, the Kevin David has done a tutorial of the ClickFunnels. So in that you can tell other people like what kind of how they can use the product. Okay, how they can use the product. For example, this guy is telling how to make money with ClickFunnels today. So in this way, he's giving a tutorial on how to use the product. Okay, so in this way, what you can do, you can just tell them how they can start using the product and can start making money with that product, and after that, in the end, they can recommend that product. And in this way, you will be able to start driving the traffic to your product, to that product, and you will be start making money. And the catch is this, the product is not yours. You do not need to hold any inventory, any shipping, nothing like that. You just need to recommend them a product, and then you will be boom to make money. Okay, so the second way, second way is a lot more powerful, and the second way is kind of by doing the review videos. For example, a lot of people just do the review videos on the YouTube gears. Okay, so in this way, what you can do, you can simply create a review. For example, when you are going to search anything like maybe a camera, so then you are going to search on the YouTube, for example, this camera review. Then there will be a lot of people who are going to tell them that what kind of camera is this, what kind of the quality is this product having. So in this way, first of all, you can tell what kind of product is that. You can tell them, you can even show them in reality if you are having that. But if you do not have, you do not have to worry. You can simply just tell their features and stuff like that, and then in the end, again, you can recommend that product, and you will be even start getting the sales. Guys, the monetization, and also there is one more way to make money with the YouTube, and that is the monetization, which a lot of people just prefer. But the catch is this, in order to reach out to the monetization, okay, you need 4,000 hours of watch time and 1,000 subscribers. So that is going to be a lot of work. But the catch is this, without the monetization, by just selling the products and recommending the products, you can make 10 times more money with the monetization. And that is the reason that a lot of people, just like Kevin David, they have made millions of dollars, not just millions of dollars, if not millions of dollars, but then thousands of dollars just with a single video. For example, John Chow, okay, John Chow has about 50,000 subscribers, and about 4 months ago this guy posted a video about the ClickFunnels, and he has gotten about 6,777 views. So you can really think that this guy again has made a lot of money, guys, a lot of money. Okay, so in this way you can start recommending the product. Instead of, do not just depend on the monetization. Instead, what you can do to make a lot more money with the YouTube, just look at this tactic. What you can do, you can simply create a freebie offer. It can be a free ebook, it can be a free video training, or it can be anything. And then what you can do after just doing any kind of tutorial, for example, if you are going to tell them how to play guitar, then in the end you can tell them, hey, if you want to learn more about the YouTube, check out this free course. The link is in the description. When you are going to do this, you can simply link out to that, to a landing page, and there you can start collecting their emails. And then after that you can start sending them emails. You can sometimes provide them value, again value, and thereafter you can pitch them. And that is the way you can make a lot more money. And even you do not have to depend on anywhere else. You can simply just promote to your list, and from there you are going to make a lot more money. And on the YouTube you can easily get about 8 to 9% click-through rate. So let's say you are going to get 1,000 views in just a month. So that is going to be around 80 people have clicked, and about 50 people are going to give their emails. Okay, but you can easily get about 5,000 views from the YouTube. So let's just do some maths over here again. So let's say you are going to get 5,000 views from the YouTube, and there is about 8% conversion. Okay, 8% click-through rate. So 400 people are going to click on the link, and then let's say your landing page is going to convert at 200. That's going to be around 50% of the people. So now what you can do, you can easily make $2 for every people who is going to give you their email. $2 per email. So now you can easily make 400 per month as a recurring model. Okay, you can even make much more money, because I have seen some of the big launches where the people just having a list of just 500 to 600 people, and those people really crush in their product. Okay, what kind of how do they crush? Actually, they make at least 5-figure launches. And then when it comes to 5-figure, you can see that the 5-figure is going to be at least $10,000. Okay, $10,000 from a list of 500 people. That is going to be $20 for every email they have. So you can really think that you can make a lot more money. I am only taking the 10% of these guys, what these guys are making. So you can really make a lot more money, and with the time you will be keep on getting a lot of views and subscribers, and the email subscribers as well. So on that time you can simply start promoting to both of the people, one to emails, okay, and another one to YouTube. So in this way you will be able to make a lot more money than just kind of from your emails, or maybe just from the monetization. You will be able to combine this and will be able to make an amazing income. Okay, so these are the two ways that I can really tell you that YouTube is really a great source when you are going to use that. Okay, so let's say you are going to just get 1,000 subscribers. So on that time you will be able to enable your monetization, and then that will be an extra source. You will be getting email subscribers every single day. You will be your videos will be promoting the the another products, and you will be also keep on getting a lot more money. So what you can do, the monetization will be for every video, okay, but what you can do in the emails, you can start promoting in every 4th email. So in a month you can promote 7 times. That's a lot, guys. And in the on your YouTube channel you can promote in 15 days every single time, once in a 15 days. So that's going to be 2 times. So you can really think you have promoted 9 times, and you will be started making a lot more money, even if 1% of the people are going to buy every time you are going to do a promotion. So that is the ultimate thing. But also, guys, if you want to make at least $100 per day with affiliate marketing and want to know the more secrets, then check out the first link in the description, because there you will learn how to make your first $100 per day as a complete beginner. Okay, and also you will learn over there how to get 1,000 YouTube subscribers in just 1 week. In just 1 week, I'm not saying in just a month, because the tactic I'm going to share there are really working very well. Okay, so just click the link in the description and check it out now, and I will see you in the next video or in the training. So bye bye for